Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and today is the day my latest book, Guided Practice Routines for Guitar, Advanced Level, is finally here. Now this has been a long time in the making. I bought you of course the foundation level and the intermediate level, and they were of course incredibly well received, which is an amazing feeling. I've had so much feedback from you guys, and apparently you've really enjoyed working through these books, so it really is a pleasure to be able to bring you my magnum opus, if you like. And this is a bigger book than the last two. It is a much bigger book. Not only is the page count about 20% higher, but we have 300, count that, 300 minutes of guided audio to go with this book. And that's me playing and talking through the exercises so you can practice these routines along with me. Now, of course, there's going to be a lot of content in a book talking about being advanced. Now, this is less about being advanced and more about the idea of advancing. I'm not sure what advanced means, but I'm always in my playing looking to advance. I'm always looking to move forward, progress, and get better. So we're going to be talking about all manner of things, from picking techniques, some challenging cross-picking ideas, arpeggios that cover the entire neck, modal sounds, chordal sounds, sevenths, triads into sevenths, all of these really cool tips and tricks that I use every day in my day-to-day playing, things that I use with the band, and things that should help take you to the next level. So if you want specifically curated and dedicated routines, here is a 10-week course for you covering everything that you would need to know to be that advancing guitar player. Practice along with me every single day, and each week you will move on to something new, challenging and exciting. I've had an absolute blast making this book and the series, and spoilers, there's more coming. So please do check it out, let me know how you get on, and stay tuned for lessons from the book this coming week. Much love, and I will see you for another video very soon. Laters.